Welcome to Diet Dose 365, your daily guide to healthy living, smart nutrition, and a better lifestyle every single day of the year. In the quiet hum of life, as the years gracefully accumulate, our bodies begin to tell a different story, one that whispers of the need for gentle care and mindful attention. It is in this chapter that we often become aware of the subtle shifts within, particularly in the silent pathways of our circulatory system. The arteries in our legs, those vital conduits carrying life-giving blood, can, over time, become less efficient, burdened by the slow accumulation of plaque, a condition known as atherosclerosis. This narrowing can lead to discomfort, a feeling of heaviness, and a general decline in our get-up and go. 3. But there's a comforting and empowering truth to be found in the realm of nature's pantry. The foods we choose to eat, the simple act of preparing a daily meal with intention, can become a powerful tool in nurturing our vascular health and, in a sense, clearing the way for better circulation. For 5, it is a journey not of drastic measures, but of small, consistent choices that, over time, can make a profound difference. Imagine a single, thoughtfully crafted meal each day, designed not just to satisfy hunger, but to actively support the health of your leg arteries. This isn't about restrictive dieting or complicated culinary feats. It's about embracing a philosophy of eating that is both delicious and deeply nourishing. At the heart of this approach lies the Mediterranean way of eating, a dietary pattern celebrated for its heart-protective benefits. 167 is a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, a vibrant mosaic of flavors and textures that work in harmony to support your body's intricate systems. 1-8, let us begin with the foundation of this meal, whole grains. Think of hearty oats, nutty quinoa, or wholesome brown rice. 8, 9, 10, these grains are brimming with fiber, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in managing cholesterol levels. 11, 12, soluble fiber, in particular, acts like a sponge in your digestive system, binding to bad LDL cholesterol and gently escorting out of your body. 11, 13, this process helps to prevent the buildup of plaque in your arteries, keeping them clearer and more flexible. 11, 13, a warm bowl of oatmeal in the morning, perhaps sprinkled with berries and nuts, can be a simple yet profound step towards better arterial health. 14, next, let's paint our plate with a rainbow of fruits and vegetables. Berries, with their deep, rich colors, are packed with antioxidants called flavonoids, particularly anthocyanins. 15, 16, 17, these powerful compounds help to reduce inflammation and protect the delicate lining of our blood vessels. 15, 18, think of blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries as tiny guardians for your arteries. 17, 19, citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits are also champions of circulatory health, thanks to their high vitamin C content, which helps to strengthen blood vessel walls. 2021 leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, are another cornerstone of this artery-clearing meal. 221, they are rich in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. 1622 nitric oxide is a remarkable molecule that helps to relax and widen blood vessels, promoting better blood flow. 1623, this can lead to lower blood pressure and reduce stiffness in the arteries. 1623, a generous helping of sautéed spinach or a vibrant kale salad can be a delicious way to invite these benefits into your daily routine. Let us not forget the power of healthy fats. For too long, all fats were unfairly demonized, but we now understand that certain fats are not only beneficial, but essential for heart health. 24-25 unsaturated fats, found in foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil, can help to lower bad LDL cholesterol and raise good HDL cholesterol. 24-26 HDL cholesterol acts like a scavenger, removing excess cholesterol from the arteries and transporting it back to the liver for processing. 24, a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil over your vegetables or a sprinkle of walnuts on your salad can provide a rich source of these heart-healthy fats. 9, 25, 26 fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are particularly noteworthy for their high content of omega-3 fatty acids. 16, 21, 23, these incredible fats have potent anti-inflammatory properties and can help to prevent the formation of blood clots. 21, 22, 23, they also encourage the release of nitric oxide, further contributing to the relaxation of blood vessels and improved circulation. 23, including a portion of grilled salmon or a simple sardine salad in your daily meal can be a wonderfully effective way to support your arteries. 416, to add a flavorful and therapeutic kick to your meal, consider the humble yet mighty garlic and onion. Both are excellent sources of flavonoid antioxidants that help your arteries and veins to widen, allowing for increased blood flow. 2327 garlic, in particular, contains sulfur compounds that have been shown to relax blood vessels and improve circulation. 23 similarly, spices like turmeric and cayenne pepper possess anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit your vascular system. 1523, a pinch of turmeric in your rice or a dash of cayenne in your soup can add both warmth and wellness to your dish. Beans and lentils are another group of foods that deserve a prominent place in our artery-clearing meal. 14, they are packed with fiber and plant-based protein, helping to control blood sugar and blood pressure. 14, the high fiber content also contributes to lower cholesterol levels, further protecting your arteries. 1214, a hearty lentil soup or a flavorful bean stew can be a comforting and deeply satisfying way to nourish your body. Now, let's weave these elements together into a beautiful and coherent daily meal. Imagine a lunch of grilled salmon seasoned with garlic and herbs, served on a bed of quinoa. Alongside it, a colorful salad of mixed greens, berries, and walnuts, drizzled with olive oil and a squeeze of lemon juice. Or perhaps at dinner, a hearty lentil stew, brimming with vegetables like carrots, celery, and spinach, and seasoned with a touch of turmeric. The possibilities are endless, and the key is to find a combination that you truly enjoy, making this healthful practice a sustainable and pleasurable part of your life. Beyond this one daily meal, it is important to embrace a holistic approach to senior health care. Staying well hydrated is crucial, as water helps within the blood and makes it easier for the heart to pump. 2829, gentle, regular exercise, such as walking, can also significantly improve circulation in the legs. 330, even simple movements like stretching can increase blood flow to your muscles and tissues. 3, managing stress is another important piece of the puzzle, as chronic stress can constrict blood vessels and negatively impact circulation. 28, it is also wise to be mindful of what to limit in your diet. Saturated and trans fats, often found in red meat, processed foods, and baked goods, can contribute to the buildup of plaque in the arteries. 2431, reducing your intake of these fats is a kind and loving act for your heart and your legs. 25, similarly, limiting your salt intake can help to manage blood pressure, which is another important factor in maintaining healthy arteries. 28, as we journey through our senior years, the choices we make at the dinner table become a powerful form of self-care. The concept of clearing your leg arteries naturally with one daily meal is not a quick fix, but a gentle and steady path towards greater well-being. It's about honoring your body with whole, nutrient-dense foods that work in synergy to support your circulatory system. It's a testament to the idea that simple, everyday actions can have profound and lasting impact on our health. This approach is not about deprivation, but about abundance. The abundance of flavors, colors, and nutrients that nature provides. It's about creating a meal that is not only good for your arteries, but also a delight to your senses, a moment of calm and nourishment in your day. By embracing this philosophy, you are not just eating a meal. You are investing in your vitality, your mobility, and your overall quality of life, one delicious and life-affirming bite at a time. The gentle rhythm of this daily practice can become a source of comfort and empowerment, a quiet reminder that you have the power to nurture your body and support its incredible capacity for healing and resilience. Let's delve deeper into the intricate dance of nutrients that takes place within this special daily meal, a meal designed to be a gentle yet persistent ally in the quest for clear leg arteries. Consider the role of antioxidants, those remarkable compounds that act as our body's internal protectors. 18, found in abundance in colorful fruits and vegetables, antioxidants work to neutralize harmful free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage the cells lining our blood vessels. 18, the cellular damage, known as oxidative stress, is a key contributor to the development of atherosclerosis. 18, by including a rich variety of antioxidant-rich foods in your daily meal, such as berries, leafy greens, and even a small amount of dark chocolate, you're providing your arteries with a shield of protection against this damage. 18-19-32 the fiber in whole grains, beans, and vegetables does more than just lower cholesterol. It also helps to regulate blood sugar levels, which is particularly important for seniors. 8-13 stable blood sugar helps to prevent insulin resistance, a condition that is linked to inflammation and an increased risk of arterial damage. 13 furthermore, a high-fiber diet can help with weight management, which in turn reduces the strain on your entire cardiovascular system. 11-14 the healthy fats from sources like olive oil, avocados, and nuts also play a multifaceted role. 15-24-25 in addition to their cholesterol-lowering effects, these fats help to reduce inflammation throughout the body. 15-19 chronic inflammation is a driving force behind the development and progression of atherosclerosis. So by choosing anti-inflammatory fats, you're actively working to quell this internal fire. 19-24. Let's also take a moment to appreciate the simple yet profound act of chewing. When we eat a meal rich in whole, unprocessed foods, we are naturally inclined to chew more thoroughly. This simple act aids in digestion and allows for better absorption of the vital nutrients in our food. It also encourages us to eat more slowly and mindfully, which can lead to a greater sense of satisfaction and prevent overeating. As we craft this daily meal, let's also consider the importance of variety. Rotating the types of whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins you include will ensure that you are getting a wide spectrum of nutrients. Each plant food contains its own unique profile of vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients, all of which contribute to your overall health in different ways. This variety not only benefits your arteries, but also supports a healthy gut microbiome, which is increasingly being recognized as a key player in cardiovascular health. 32 The journey to clear arteries is a marathon, not a sprint. It is a commitment to a way of life that honors and respects the intricate workings of our bodies. This one daily meal is a cornerstone of that commitment, a tangible and delicious way to express love and care for yourself. It is a reminder that even in the face of the challenges that aging can bring, we have a remarkable capacity to influence our own health and well-being. With each mindful bite, you are not just clearing your arteries. You are cultivating a deeper connection with your body and embracing a future filled with greater vitality and ease of movement. And so, the story of this one daily meal continues to unfold, a narrative of nourishment, healing, and hope. It is a story that you have the power to write for yourself, one delicious and life-giving meal at a time. It is a story that speaks of the profound wisdom of nature and the incredible resilience of the human body. As you embark on this journey, may you find joy in the simple act of eating well, and may you feel the gentle yet powerful effects of this loving act of self-care rippling through your entire being, bringing with it a renewed sense of energy, vitality, and well-being. Let us explore further the beautiful simplicity and profound impact of this daily commitment to a single artery-nurturing meal. The beauty of this approach lies in its accessibility. There are no expensive or exotic ingredients required, no complicated recipes to follow. It is about returning to the basics, to the wholesome, natural foods that have sustained humanity for generations. It is about rediscovering the joy of cooking and eating in a way that is both pleasurable and deeply restorative. Consider the vibrant colors on your plate as a visual representation of the diverse nutrients you are consuming. The deep reds of beets and berries, the rich greens of spinach and kale, the warm oranges of sweet potatoes and carrots. Each hue signifies a different set of protective compounds working in harmony to support your vascular health. Beets, for example, are a particularly potent source of nitrates, which, as we discussed, help to relax and widen blood vessels, improving blood flow not just to your legs, but to your entire body. 16-22-33. The act of preparing this meal can also become a form of mindful meditation, a moment of calm and focus in your day. As you chop the vegetables, rinse the grains, and gently cook the fish, you are engaging your senses and connecting with a food that will nourish you. This mindful approach to eating can enhance your enjoyment of the meal and deepen your appreciation for the simple yet profound act of self-care. It is also important to remember that this one daily meal is part of a larger tapestry of healthy habits. The benefits of this meal will be amplified when combined with regular physical activity, adequate hydration, and stress management techniques. 29-34 Think of it as a synergistic effect, where each healthy choice you make enhances the benefits of the others. A brisk walk in the morning, followed by a nourishing, artery-clearing lunch, and a few moments of quiet reflection in the evening. These are the building blocks of a truly holistic approach to senior health care. And what about those moments when you crave something sweet? The beauty of a whole foods-based diet is that it can satisfy your sweet tooth in a healthy and natural way. A bowl of fresh berries, a ripe peach, or a few squares of dark chocolate can provide a delicious and satisfying treat without derailing your efforts to maintain clear arteries. 915, in fact, dark chocolate in moderation has been shown to contain flavonoids that can improve blood vessel function. 91932, as you continue on this journey, you may begin to notice subtle yet significant changes in how you feel. You might experience a greater sense of energy and vitality, a reduction in the feeling of heaviness or discomfort in your legs, and an overall improvement in your sense of well-being. These positive changes will serve as powerful motivators, reinforcing your commitment to this gentle and loving path of self-care. The story of clearing your leg arteries naturally is not a story of deprivation or struggle. It is a story of abundance, of joy, and of empowerment. It is a story that celebrates the profound wisdom of nature and the incredible capacity of the human body to heal and thrive. With each delicious and nourishing meal, you are not just eating for today. You are investing in a healthier, more vibrant tomorrow. You are writing a new chapter in your life story, one filled with greater ease, mobility, and a deep and abiding sense of well-being. And that in itself is a beautiful and inspiring tale to tell. Let's continue to weave a narrative of this one daily meal, a meal that is not just about clearing arteries, but about embracing a philosophy of life that prioritizes well-being and vitality in the golden years. This meal is a daily affirmation, a tangible expression of your commitment to living a long, healthy, and active life. It is a way of saying yes to yourself, to your health, and to the countless beautiful moments that lie ahead. Think of the ripple effect of this one simple change. As you begin to feel better, more energetic, and more vibrant, you will naturally be more inclined to engage in activities you love. You might find yourself taking longer walks in the park, spending more time with your grandchildren, or pursuing a new hobby that brings you joy. This one daily meal, the seemingly small act of self-care, can become a catalyst for a more fulfilling and engaged life. Let's also consider the social aspect of this journey. Sharing a healthy, delicious meal with loved ones can be a deeply connecting and joyful experience. As you embrace this new way of eating, you can inspire those around you to make healthier choices as well. You can become a beacon of health and wellness in your community, sharing your knowledge and your passion for good food with others. The journey to clear arteries is a deeply personal one, yet it is also a journey that can be shared and celebrated with others. It is a journey that is not defined by perfection, but by progress. There will be days when you may not be able to prepare your ideal meal, and that is perfectly okay. The key is to be gentle with yourself, to celebrate your successes, and to get back on track with your next meal. This is not about a rigid set of rules, but about a flexible and sustainable way of life that you can adapt to your own unique needs and preferences. As you continue to explore the world of whole, natural foods, you will discover a vast and delicious landscape of flavors and textures. You will learn to appreciate the subtle sweetness of a ripe tomato, the earthy richness of a beet, and the delicate flakiness of a perfectly cooked piece of fish. You will find joy in the simple act of creating a meal that is both beautiful to look at and deeply nourishing to your body. And so, the story of this one daily meal continues to evolve, a story that is as unique and individual as you are. It is a story that is filled with the promise of a healthier, more vibrant future, a future where you can move with ease, live with joy, and embrace all that life has to offer. With each nourishing bite, you are not just clearing your arteries. You are rewriting your own story, one of health, vitality, and boundless possibility. And that is a story worth telling, a story worth living, and a story worth celebrating every single day. The power to create this story lies within you, in the simple and profound choices you make at your kitchen table. Embrace this power, savor this journey, and let your life be a testament to the incredible healing potential of good food and the enduring strength of the human spirit.